CID headquarters has taken over the case of attempted murder of Pastor Bujingo and the murder of his bodyguard Richard Nkumuza. From now onwards, the investigations are going to be managed by the Special Investigations Division of CID headquarters in Chibuli. You're aware that this is an incident of alleged attempted murder by shooting of Pastor Aloysius Bujingo and the murder by shooting of his bodyguard Richard Nkumuza, which occurred last week. What we've noticed is that the internet, social media netizens, propagandists are all awash with all sorts of versions and fringe statements which are quite absurd. So many people, including families who lost their loved ones under similar tragic circumstances, are hurt by these fringe statements by bloggers, the majority of whom are based in the United Arab Emirates, Turkey and Boston. Although part of the findings by police were leaked out to the media through informal sources, I would like to assure the country that we have comprised a competent team that is actively investigating this matter at our Special Investigation Division. They have obtained and are continuing to obtain relevant witness statements. We have retrieved the relevant reports, the post-mortem reports. We have obtained CCTV footages from the main police CCTV cameras and also private cameras that they are going to evaluate. We also have forensic and ballistic reports that have also been retrieved. We want to tread carefully in this matter and avoid getting swayed by what is happening on social media. This one talking about, there is a wife involved. I know the religious conflict, things like that. Those many versions are so diversionary. We want to be very thorough with this investigation and come up with a report that is concrete and informative. Now, as part of these investigations, we are also appealing to whoever has any information that may lead to the identity and arrest of the suspects, as well as the successful recovery of the killer weapon of a pistol, to pass over that information in confidence to the Special Investigations Division at CID headquarters in Chibuli, or contact the team on telephone contact number 074 111 333. This number is strictly for this investigation. Now, we're also informing the public that there is a substantial cash reward of Uganda shillings 20 million, which awaits any member of the public who can avail us credible information that can lead to the arrest of the suspects and recovery of the killer weapon. Would be interested in the killer weapon since we have already information that links it to the murder of the late Ismail Access, whom we all continue to mourn. There are very similar patterns.